Hey yo, more whoop it, whoop it. Hey yo, more whoop it, whoop it. No go information, make sure. The new radio, the new telly. Wani, Ufa, Talova, Baba, Talova, Baba, Talova, Baba, Baba, with the Lubade.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cindy.
Hi guys.
Oh yeah, say hi. What's your name?
My name is Danny.
Your name is Starling. Yeah guys, it's your girl Cindy. Coming back with another video. I'm not gonna talk a lot today. I'm just gonna go ahead and chill and do a mukbang. As you can see, I have my little guest here, which is my daughter, my 2-year-old toddler. Today, she decided to join me, but you know that's gonna go. So.
Oh, I want to go.
Yeah. So what are we eating today, Starling? It's snowing outside, so I just walk tonight. But I just wanted to come here and chill with you guys instead of chill with Netflix. Okay? Let's show them what are we having. I have some, of course, you know me, some vegetables, some shrimp, some mushroom, and I guess squid. And right here, I just wanted to try some chicken today. Starling is making a mess. So I wanted to try some chicken. As you can see, I have 2 different chicken, barbecue, honey barbecue, and I don't know if you can see, and some regular chicken, honey barbecue, and some different sauce, and some sushi as well. I got sushi also. So here we go. And I want to show your food, Starling. Here, I got some of these. There you go, guys. We're gonna go ahead and eat this. And Starling want to show what she's eating. Starling is eating quesadilla, chicken, and whatever else she got in her food. Bless you, mama. Whatever else. Bless you. Are you sneezing? And she got her juice right here. So Starling, what are we doing today? What do you want to talk about, mama? So how you guys doing today? You know, just want to chill with you guys. I don't have that much to talk about, you guys. We're just gonna go ahead and eat. Okay? Please God bless this food. Bless the person that made it. God, I'm asking you to bless all my subscribers. In Jesus Christ, we pray. Amen. Start, girl. Oh, you guys eating. Eat your food, please. We gotta do the mukbang for the people, man.
People?
Yeah, mukbang.
Mukbang. Mommy.
Is it yummy? Y'all, she said it's yummy. I don't know if it's true or not. Is it? It's good though. So I don't know. It's gonna be pretty chill then.
Yummy.
It's
yummy.
You want that?
No.
Okay, which one? Grab it. Got your spoon right here?
Huh? Mommy.
Yeah, tell me. Oh, got your fork?
Huh?
I don't know why I keep thinking about. I don't know, it's crunchy my bread, but I'm trying over it. I got different kind of sauce bread. when I'm eating, something is hurting me. Something is hurting. I'm having this chest pain that's unusual for me. So, how are you guys doing today? I hope that I'm doing, guys. I'm trying. But I'm gonna have a couple guests in the channel, you guys. I'm trying not to talk like I was telling you. Today actually I was not gonna talk to you guys, but pretty soon I'll be having a couple guests coming to the channel, so I don't know how that's gonna go. I just want to associate something different. So that's what we're working on for next week. See if we can get a couple guests. Oh, it's fun. Okay. So yeah, I don't know, lately I can't, since I started my diet, you guys, I can't eat like I used to now. I need to come here and enjoy this food, but I do not enjoy it like I'm supposed to. I need an order primary guys. Different like for him, he does better content, you know. So the one that I have right now, this is a small one. I'm struggle with it. I look like a mess today. My hair is not done. I'm just waiting for my birthday to get it done. My birthday's coming. Always I can do you could always do that. You wonder what I'm going to show you today. What it looks like. I'm done, I cannot do anymore. With a bunch of it. Actually half of it. I look at what I destroyed. Destroy the pic. Like this is it for me. I can't because I want to show you guys outside with it. So. I want to show you guys outside, so. But yeah. Like I was saying, guys, I have nothing to say. I was just kidding. And the first thing, you know, knowing hot outside, I'll show you in the end of the video. I'll show you outside a little bit, because you know I live in Arizona, Arizona. So some people, before I moved here, they used to say, "Oh, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot." It's really warm in Arizona. And I got scared because I've seen people comment about Tucson. And when my husband got stationed here, I was like, oh man, I can do well with hot. Like any place that really, really warm, I cannot do well. I don't cook well. So I was worried for a second. And then when we moved here, it's not that bad. We married you. I've been living in San Diego for a long time now. Pretty much since I moved to the States. So San Diego don't have the season, so it's pretty much like now it's hot but not so hot. But sometimes it gets warmer, but it can be. You guys I cannot eat no more. It can be cold, but mostly they have the best weather in this state. So I'm spoiled when it comes to weather because of San Diego. But my point is, when I heard Arizona was hot, I was freaking out because I was like, no. I went to Virginia, lived for 2 years over there. Went to, I'm always Virginia. Went to Florida. It was warm. And San Diego is the best weather. So now they told me Arizona was hot. I was panicking. I'm in the warm. But when we got here, I think it was that one that beginning of November, beginning of December, it was snowing. I was like, no kidding. And then in January it was snowing. February it was snowing. Summer come, it was not that hot, like warm like they say it is. But Tucson, yeah. So I'm like, wasn't that bad at all. I like it. If you wonder, I do like Paris stuff. But since my husband is in right now, military, so we just can't stay one place for now. But if he wasn't that besides the navel, I can see myself leaving for a little while. Anyway, you guys, that was it for today. I'll insert a clip from outside to show you guys how cold it is right now and what it looks like. It's snowing outside. But besides that, that's all. I just wanted to come here and chill instead of staying on my couch and watch TV all day and study because I have this fit test coming up. You guys pray for me. I just wanted to chill with you guys. You know, you guys are my family, my homies, my besties. So thank you for still coming here and watch my videos. And some of you may think, oh, she have a nice woman, oh, she cute, oh, some of you think she's not. But nous toujours venir supporter nous. Merci pour tout le monde qui vient supporter nous. Pas oublier abonner, partager page. Même si vous pas comprendre ça m'a dit, m'a try essayer pour moi transférer sur vous. On promet nous ça. Pas oublier moi aimer nous. Pas oublier et protéger tête nous dehors. So thank you for all my subbies, all my subscribers that come in here to watch me. And like I say, I cannot eat that much like I used to. I just wanted to come here and chit chat with you guys. That's pretty much it for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. And your girl is doing great. So we're doing this, you guys. Keep watching it, keep sharing it, keep coming here and watch me. And even though I eat, I don't move for you guys, but hopefully one day I can get to meet you guys and eat together with you guys. Thanks for watching, okay? I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Love you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? I'll see you in the next one. Bye.